Yes, I was supposed to get married and
What year was that?
2005. I actually wanted to be married. I actually wanted a family growing up. Growing up in my teen years, I already have a picture of the kind of family I want. I have a picture of the kind of husband I want. I have a picture of I love kids. So I already had a plan to have 2 boys, 2 girls. Like, let me go play time inside my belly. But I had a picture of 2 boys, 2 girls, you know. No, sorry, we're supposed to get married in February.
Okay.
And he died December. Yes. He died December 5th, 2005.
Yoruba Parapọ̀ TV ẹ máa gbọ́ ẹ máa wò ó ẹ subscribe síbẹ̀ ẹ like ẹ bó bá ṣe ń lọ àwa ò ní jẹ́ kétí yín ó di sí o Yoruba Parapọ̀ TV àgbàlẹ́tù ọmọdé làwọ̀.
Yorùbá bọ̀ wọ́n ní ìṣẹ́bọ nìṣògùn a kì í bínú kádàrá bá a ti wáyé páàrí làárí ó jẹ́ ń tún ba gbogbo èèyàn lọ́kàn jẹ́ pàápàá gbogbo òṣèré orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà àwọn onítíátà Yorùbá ó jẹ́ ń tún ṣeni láàánú púpọ̀ nígbà tí a gbọ́ ikú ọ̀dọ́mọbìnrin arẹwà tó máa ń rẹ́rìn-ín tó sì jẹ́ adẹ́rìn-pòṣónú tó máa ń ṣeré tó wúyàn lórí dáadáa ìyẹn Allwell Eniobanke Ademola ó jẹ́ ẹni tí àwọn ènìyàn fẹ́ràn nínú eré tíátà ó sì jẹ́ ẹni tó jẹ́ gbogbo èèyàn ló máa ń bá ṣeré tí ó sì máa ń bá wọn ṣàwàdà ṣùgbọ́n ó ṣeni láàánú pé arábìnrin náà ní ìjàmbá ọkàn tí ó sì gbẹ̀mí rẹ̀ lọ ó náà la gbọ́ nínú interview kan èyí tí Abíọ́lá ṣe fún un tó ti ṣàlàyé nípa ìrìn àjò ayé ẹ̀ pàápàá nípa ẹni tó jẹ́ ọkọ àfẹ́sọ́nà rẹ̀ tó sọ nínú ọ̀rọ̀ rẹ̀ pé àwọn ò bá jọ ṣe ìgbéyàwó níwọ̀n oṣù díẹ̀ tó kù káwọn ṣe èyí ó náà ni ẹni ọ̀hún ní ìjàmbá ìbọn láti ìgbà náà ẹ̀wẹ̀ ló ń ti pinnu pé òun ò ní lọ́kọ tàbí fẹ́ ẹlòmíì láti ìgbà yìí ó ní odidi ọdún kan ló gbà lọ́wọ́ òun kóun tó lè jáde ta láti bẹ́ẹ̀ ló ti lé òun ò ti rí ẹni tóun fẹ́ fẹ́ ẹ wo ọ̀rọ̀ pọ̀ ń bẹ tí wọ́n fi hàn wánú fọ́nrán yìí nínú àkàálẹ̀ interview kan èyí tó ṣe nígbà tó wà lókè ìpẹ́ ó ṣe wá rí Allwell Ademola nílẹ̀ yìí mọ́ ó jẹ́ ń tó pa gbogbo èèyàn lẹ́kún wọ́n fi fọ́nrán yìí wọ̀n wá bàbá jẹ́ gbà àkọ́kọ́ lẹ́yìn wò wá abẹ́jọ́ olólùfẹ́ wa tẹ́lẹ̀ rí ṣùgbọ́n ẹ ò tí ì tẹ subscribe button síbẹ̀ à ń bẹ̀ yín ni ẹ bá wa tẹ̀ sójú ẹ wá má gbàgbé láti tẹ aago tí ń bẹ lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ èyí tí ó máa rán yín létí nígbàkúùgbà tá a bá ti wà lórí ètò a ò ní rírú èyí mọ́ láàrin wa láàrin àwọn òṣèré a ò ní rírú ẹ̀ mọ́ búburú kan ò sì ní ṣe wá kò ní sẹ́ni kankan wá o ẹ jẹ́ agbọ́n tí arábìnrin yìí wí nínú interview tí Bíọ́lá ṣe fún un nígbà náà.
Yes, I was supposed to get married and
What year was that?
2005.
Years ago.
And I had to start about that time. I became good on university.
You know.
I know. And no, sorry, we're supposed to get married in February.
Okay.
And he died December. Yes. He died December 5th, 2005.
December 5th.
Yes. He was shot by armed robbers. And in fact, it was funny because I was talking to him on the phone while he was shot. It was a very traumatic experience for me. I lost my mind for 2 years. Okay. He was the only man I knew. He was the only man I knew. He was my first boyfriend. He was the only one I was with till the time he died. And he was a very good man. He was a good man. You know, he was a good man. So,
bóyá lè mọ̀ pé Allwell Eniobanke Ademola jẹ́ nìkan tó máa ń kọrin àwọn èèyàn sì ròyìn ẹ̀ dáadáa pé ó ní àwọn ẹ̀bùn tó pọ̀ kòkòrò já gbádùn òbí tó gbọ́ káká ó mà ṣe o àṣé igi tó tọ́ irú wọn kì í pẹ́ ń gbò Allwell Eniobanke Ademola lẹ́bùn orin ẹ já gbọ́ díẹ̀ nínú àwọn orin tó kọ nínú èyí tó ti kí àwọn olólùfẹ́ rẹ̀ nígbà tó wà lókè yèèpẹ̀ Ọlọ́run kó bá wa tẹ̀ sáfẹ́fẹ́ rí ẹ já gbọ́ díẹ̀ nínú àwọn orin tó kọ fún àwọn olólùfẹ́ níbi àwọn ètò kan àti àwọn ayẹyẹ kan tó ti kọrin nígbà náà.
Thank you.
Allwell Eniobanke Ademola máa sọ̀rọ̀ síwájú nínú àwọn ìwádìí tí wọ́n ń bi léèrè nígbà náà, pàápàá jùlọ nípa bó ṣe lo ìgbésí ayé rẹ̀ níbẹ̀rẹ̀ pẹ̀pẹ̀ àti pẹ̀lú pé irú èèyàn wo gan ló jẹ́ nígbà náà. Onírúurú àwọn ìbéèrè tí wọ́n bi nígbà náà, ó náà ni wọ́n máa tẹ̀síwájú láti fi hàn yín láti rí i pé ojú abákú làádèrè èèyàn ò sunwọ̀n láàyè. Arábìnrin yìí gbìyànjú lókè èèpẹ̀. Ẹ já gbọ́ ohun tó tún sọ nínú àwọn ìwádìí tí Bíọ́lá bi léèrè nígbà náà. Àwọn nǹkan tó sọ nínú àwọn ìbéèrè àwọn ìwádìí náà, ẹ já gbọ́ nǹkan tó sọ ńbẹ̀. Bó bá jẹ́ gbà àkọ́kọ́ lẹ́yìn wò wá, abẹ́jú lólùfẹ́ wa tẹ́lẹ̀ rí ṣùgbọ́n ẹ ò tí ì tẹ subscribe button síbẹ̀. À ń bẹ̀ yín ni o, ẹ bá wa tẹ̀ sójú ẹ̀. Ẹ já share rẹ̀, búburú kan ò ní ṣẹlẹ̀ lọ́ọ̀dẹ̀ yìí. Ikú òjijì ò ní pa yín, kò ní pọmọ yín o. Kádàgbà kádògbó láṣẹ Òdùmarè. Ẹ já máa bẹ́tù ọ̀hún bọ̀.
I actually wanted to be married. I actually wanted a family growing up. Growing up in my teen years, I already have a picture of the kind of family I want. I have a picture of the kind of husband I want. I have a picture of I love kids. So I already had a plan to have 2 boys, 2 girls. Like, let me go create time inside my belly. But I had a picture of 2 boys, 2 girls. You know, and one will look like the father, and one will look like 2 will look like the father. 2 will look. Are
you the one that will create them yourself?
That was the picture I had. I have a picture of the kind of house we live in. In fact, I had a picture of the kind of proposal
that you wanted.
So to some extent, it worked. The proposal aspect worked. In fact, when it happened, I was like, yeah, really? Because I wanted a BMW, and it was actually a BMW.
Okay.
You know. So I really wanted. I'm a family-oriented person. I had my mom and my dad. I grew up in a family. So that's what I wanted. But it didn't happen.
Right. Let's go a little personal. Okay. I hope you don't mind. Okay. You as a matured single, how is life to you? Then, what does the society say about you that you know? I can say, sorry ma, okay. I know, I can say the little that I know or that I've heard is, go bad now, but check off a lock on you, so to be more, could be more, but after that, she might put it in 35, but you don't walk off. Do you understand? So society, in quotes, wants to define you. What do you think is the society influence on you? Or I'm asking too many questions. Maybe I should start one after the other. Yes, sir. So you as a matured single, what is life to you now?
Okay, first of all, I would say life is meant to be lived.
That's right.
I don't want to exist. I want to live life. There's this thing I used to say long ago before now. I don't think I'm going to start saying it because my birthday is in a few days. YOLO, YOLO, you only live once.
You only live once.
You only live once, and there's a song I like too. Forever, yeah. The song that I'm sure you know the song. I'll remember before the end of the program. The song is simply saying that just live your life, enjoy it. There are things that you cannot change. There are things that you cannot deal with. You know, just allow God to take the wheel, and then you sit at the last corner.
And enjoy
it. Let just be in charge of it. Okay, being a mature single, I just love the life I'm living. You know, the truth of the matter, there's some things I would not want to say so that I won't discourage some people. But I was talking with someone, and she said, she's someone you know, and she said, she was talking about another person that we know. The other person is in her early 40s. But when she saw her, she wasn't really looking, I won't say looking good, she was looking old.
Older.
So yeah, she now said, she saw her, she was looking, and she's in her early 40s. She's not married, she doesn't have a child. And I was looking at later, have you forgotten the person you're talking to?
Talking to her that I have a child as well. Taking
and I'm even older than the person you're talking about. Wow. So the way I was looking at it, I said, I said, that's where I'm going. You that people are even praying to be like you. You'll be shocked that there are young people that want to be of your age and don't want to get married because they feel you are living a good life. I was scared when you said that. Because, yes, I'm happy. But the environment we live in, people don't really see single women as happy
or fulfilled.
They feel that in fact the way they will look at you like,
pray,
the way they will get wahala self, but that they don't know that there are people who don't even want to be, who don't even want to mingle. I know of people who don't even want to be married.
I know.
They just want to be alone.
Yes.
I know of people who just want kids. I know of people who want to be married but they don't want kids. I know of a particular person who doesn't want to have kids, who doesn't want to be married, she just wants to live her life.
Wow.
And I know of someone who wants to be married, she doesn't want to have kids, and in fact, she'll be celebrating her 50th this year. She said the reason she has refused, and a man loves her so much that he's been waiting, that the reason she's planning to do her wedding after 50th, I guess she'll be getting married next year, is because she feels that if she gets married this year or before 50th, her husband won't want her to have children. And that because she doesn't want to have children, she wants to wait till after 50, and then she will tell him that you want to kill me.
At 50.
So if you truly love me, you won't force me to get pregnant, so we can adopt. I have a friend. I'm sorry, anyway, I didn't mention your name, so you know what. Do you understand? She's my friend. So the truth of the matter is, don't just look at every woman in her 40s or her 50s or in her late 30s and you think that she's sad
because she's
in a pitiful state because she's not married or because she doesn't have kids. Some people just want to be like that. That's the truth of the matter. I'm not saying I want to be like that. I'm just saying that some people just want to be like that. I'm happy. Trust me, I am. I'm not even saying it for cameras. If I had a good day, this is a talk show, so I shouldn't even want your pity. I could actually tell you that I'm not happy. I can actually do that.
I know.
But I'm being frank here. I'm happy. Trust me, I am.
My audience or my viewers to know you more?
Okay, I would say that I enjoyed growing up. Well, I didn't really enjoy my childhood. I don't know how to explain it. Okay, yeah, I was one of the those children privileged to be on TV early in life. Mobego, I'm always everywhere. I sing. I was in the church choir, the school cultural group, the drama group, the literary group, the whatever it is I had to do with entertainment in school. So from my elementary days, and so one day Uncle Wale Akiosho of the then NTA came to our school and he was recruiting Bebelube kids for his TV show Animal Games.
Okay.
And that was 1985 precisely. And so I was one of the lucky ones, privileged ones to be picked.
1985. You are still 35, should be? Okay, sorry to say. Okay.
So, as I was saying, so, I was one of those, and from there, so we started doing Animal Games. From there, we went to Tales by Moonlight. From there, I graduated to NCAC at the National Theatre. From there, I did my first home video in 1992 with Cliff Igwe, produced and directed by Cliff Igwe, The Drag Promise. I was on set with the legendary Jide Kosoko. That was the first time I was meeting him. I was on set with Eddie Jenazu, Uncle Wale Amelie of Blessed Memory, and quite a number of big actors then. And so from there, that was it. I started doing lots of TV, lots of commercials. I'm fine here now,
You know.
And so I would say professionally, I got into entertainment in 1995 because that was the first time I got my paycheck. And then it has been my mom supporting me. My dad never supported it. My dad would be like, royalty, don't entertain. We are meant to be entertained.
Are you serious?
So my dad would be like, that we are supposed to sit and we will be entertained. And so
that's his ideology.
Yes.
Till he died?
It changed 5 years before he died. Sad. 5 years before he died. And so he has always been close with me. And in fact, there was a particular time that some of his friends saw me on TV, on Animal Games, and my dad was, now funny enough, my dad is one of those that don't know celebrities. He only knows footballers and newscasters. Yes, he won't see films, so he doesn't even know who a movie actor is. You understand? He knew Baba Salah, Ogunde, but this, no, I wouldn't say this generation.
His generation
of see films.
Yes.
So,
I understand.
He didn't see Animal Games. He didn't see Tales by Moonlight. But my mom would always sneak me out to do these things. And one day, one of his friends told him that one was saying it with upright. And my dad was like, which of my that day was not funny. It wasn't funny at all. And so my mom would always sneak me out to do these things. And when I was of age, to some extent, I was a star kid in my area. So when I was of age, I bailed out of the house. I wasn't living with him anymore, so I had the time to do what I wanted to do. So it got to a level he disowned me. And
disowned you?
Yes.
Wait. Disowned? Like confident? Yes. Just called disowned?
He cut all ties. He wouldn't want to have anything to do with me. I like Bonomo, and this is what I love to do. So, but then on his 70th birthday, okay, I was at the 60th. After the 60th, we weren't so close anymore. And on the 70th, I was at his birthday. I had no choice than to be at his birthday. So I invited some of my friends, my colleagues actually, celebrities. Like I said, my dad didn't watch film, so he doesn't recognize anyone. So it was his friends, they were like, look how celebrities were. And my dad was asking that, hey, me, the footballer, come by. And they were like, footballer, Bawo, I was telling you, Balogun here now, here now. We're mentioning names, and my dad was like, hey. And then they saw the people were taking pictures with them. That was the first time my father was proud of me. That was the first time ever. He was so happy. He felt good that my daughter is a celebrity. You understand? And that was the 70th. He died at 75. So he enjoyed being a father of his staff for just 5 years. In fact, at his last moment at the hospital, everybody it was first at FMC, and people were coming to look. Because the moment they saw me, Mama, are you here? My dad is there. Really? So they went to. It was in the private ward. So they had to be going checking it. They're giving special attention. Oh my! It felt so good. Like, she might be by you. Like, really? I said yes now. Baba celebrating me. So during his last moments, he got the celebrity treatment, but
just for a short time.
Unlike my mom.
Yeah, I can.
Like my mom. If I got to a level when I go to the market with my mom, then I don't go to markets anymore. But then, my mom would like, especially to what I would be like, hey, come Shamo Peter Parks, right? You can't me here. About Lobai color sheet here. Oh no, even I Lobai, I'll pad in Bibai. And I'm like, what? I don't want to show people be dragging me. They'll be like, Ekiwa, and maybe when she's in a hurry. So she enjoyed it, like, a lot of times people will just greet her and she'll be like, she buying the mommy all well. Like, oh yeah.
Oh, I love that. Okay. Oh well, if you're not acting, you're not singing at this time, what do you think you would have been doing, or what would you be doing?
If I wasn't acting or singing,
not direct. You're not in the entertainment industry, because I know you do practically everything.
Maybe 2 things actually. Maybe a teacher or a cook.
A cook, a teacher, a teacher. You'll be serious with anybody's children. Me, I will leave my children to you. I know. Let's be serious. Let's get it right.
Yeah, the thing is, I'm an extremist. Yeah, I play a lot and I'm very disciplined as well. Yeah. So I know how to,
strike a balance.
Yes. So I don't like unruly children around me. I don't even like unruly adults. I think I have a problem with it. Okay, let me give you a very good example. I was trying to chat to someone just last night, and I was like, "Good evening, sir," and he said, "Yes." Yes, that was the response he gave me. I said, "Good evening, sir." He said, "Yes." I said, "My name is Allwell, Ademola." He said, "Okay." And then I went straight to the point, and after then, he was not like, "Okay, how may I be of help to you?" I said, "Your reception was good, sir." He said, "How?" And I referred him back to yes. I said, "It was yes." He said to my polite, "Good evening, sir." And I said, "Oh, I'm so sorry about that. Yeah. Even if you are busy, what to see?" So I have problems with. I think a lot of us have to go to finishing school. maybe because of the kind of parents I have. My dad is English, so you can't even be wrong around him. Wow. You must be disciplined. My mom, Yakemi, they will rent you to. They can rent my mom to go and beat. My mom beats for a living. So you'll not be cultured. Moral values is very key. So around me, if I see a lot of people around me will be like, oh, I want everyone to be like her. But it's not wrong for everyone to be polite.
Polite.
Do you understand? Yes, just to be polite.
Simple morals.
Respect has nothing to do with age. You know, because I'm older than you, should not make me disrespect you.
That's right.
You know, so a lot of people don't understand that. So I think I'll be a good teacher.
Teacher, yes. To an extent, I think as well.
Owó tó ti rẹ̀ ní látàárọ̀ èèyàn ní break ní I'm tired mo máa lọ lé.
Sinimá kọ́lá ń yà wọ́n mi ìwé ní àfi ní break ni.
Wo ni sinimá kọ́lá ń yà ṣé kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ èmi náà ya YouTube náà ṣé mo yẹn ń lo àwọn èèyàn kú nìyí. Ó ti rẹ̀ mí o.
Bó ti ní ọjà zero bullet ń bẹ̀ o bó ti ẹ̀ sọ àlà tó sọ àlà tó ní mo ti ń bi látara ọ̀bá lè ti ṣàkóso ìrẹ́ ṣe nìyẹn. Kí ẹ blọọkì
ilé fẹ́ lọ ṣe.
Ó lè wo òfòdù àgbẹ̀ mọ́tò.
Ẹ máa jo táyà mọ́tò mi àná.
Ẹ blọọkì mọ́tò ẹ̀ mọ́lẹ̀.
Ẹ wo bí reverse will be the case. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ọkọ máa gbá mi lẹ́nu ẹ̀já aṣọ lẹ́nu kó lè ṣẹlẹ̀ èmi ni màá wulẹ̀ fún ẹni yẹn lẹ́nu.
Ẹ pọ́ńtò táyà ẹ wọ́n
ẹ máa pọ́ńtò ní òwò lọ́wọ́ ẹ má ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹ mọ̀ pé mo máa respect ìyọ̀wọ̀ ẹ̀ àgbà ní nídìí iṣẹ́ ìbùdó máa respect.
It's time time.
Máa fọ lẹ́nu máa gbá reverse o.
It's time time. It's time time.
Ṣọ́nà èmi.
Yorùbá Parapọ̀ TV ẹ máa gbọ́ ẹ máa wò ó ẹ subscribe síbẹ̀ ẹ láìkí ẹ̀ bó bá ṣe ń lọ àwa ò ní jẹ́ kétí yín ó di sí o. Yorùbá Parapọ̀ TV àgbàlẹ́tù ọmọdé làwọ̀.